Yes, it's a film for the world premiere of the new GLC. Yeah, it's the successor of that model. It's their top seller. And it's the worldwide segment leader. So this GLC is the most dynamic SUV Mercedes has ever made. We need a director to fly in tomorrow morning. Yeah, I know. Of course. As long as he's not as crazy as the last one.
This hybrid nature of this car is like a succulent lobster in my mouth. If you think about electricity, it's like lava. It's like when you make love for the whole night. That's why I'm super excited that George Russell is going to be our guy here, driving this car. He's an artist in his field.
Hi.
To me, he's a storyteller. He tells stories with his driving.
Oh, good. George needs to join an engineering meeting for the Formula One team.
He's not coming.
No.
So he's not doing the shoot?
No.
So you call me in here and tell me George Russell is coming and then he isn't coming?
We have a casting.
Casting, smasting. So George is definitely not coming.
Correct.
Correct. Good luck with your shitty film, with your shitty actors, and I'm never working with you again. I guess I'm an emotional person sometimes it's the passion.
Of course. We are just so grateful you decided to come back. And Magnus, thank you for being so open and for even having this conversation.
Oh, please.
I have some ideas about the casting we have. We really want to get across that this model is way more sporty, more elegant than the last one. And actually, the body length is 6 centimeters longer. They really need to focus on the overall design of the car. I think they can start here at the backlights, focus in on the star design in the lights.
Yeah.
Oh, they'll need to, maybe they can stop here, have a little moment with the rims, the sleek line of the steps. After that, I think we can have them move forward and spend some time here at the headlights, maybe show how expressive they can be, the star grille, and the thing that I really want to convey in this experience is this overall feeling of modern luxury.
Introducing the new Mercedes-Benz GLC with a modern luxury design language.
Cut!
I'm watching the camera or...
6 centimeters more body length.
No, not like a robot. Have you ever done any acting before?
Never before.
Okay, great. Thanks, guys. But imagine yourself, you have... Have you been here before?
My brother's also an actor.
Mercedes-Benz GLC.
That's actually very nice. I'll do what you did. Blah, blah, blah. Haven't learned my lines. Doody-doody-doo. Blah, blah, blah.
But you look great. With a modern luxury design language.
Stop the car. Open the window. Hello, this is the police.
How can I
You're a
help you?
terrible actor. Say the line. That baby is an amateur. Modern luxury
Design
language.
language.
I mean, what the fuck are we doing here? It's just so creepy. I'm looking in his eyes and I see the lights are on, but no one's home. Okay?
That's unfair.
It's a disaster! I'm pretty sure I asked for actors.
Adam was great.
Adam,
we loved
second
Adam.
I hate him. The twin.
Adam was great. We
I hated
loved
it. This is
Adam.
catastrophe, guys.
Maybe we could try.
Are you okay? Wake
Do
up.
you want some water, man?
Say that again.
Do you want some water? Man.
What's your name?
Dragan.
Dragon. Say that to them.
You want some water, man?
It's great. I love it.
I love this guy.
This chapter is all about the AmbiUX. You can activate it just by saying, "Hey, Mercedes, how may I help you?"
Mercedes, we're trying to block the scene, so just wait for your turn.
See, it's really easy. It's like a super smart computer. You can ask it almost anything.
Okay. Dragon, you're saying goodbye to a woman who has been your partner for many years, and you love her deeply. But you also hate her on some levels. But you're saying goodbye for the very last time, and she doesn't know that you're leaving.
I love it.
Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
I love you.
Was it love at first ride?
That was actually really touching.
Thanks.
Not so much what you did, but the response from Mercedes. There was something so sincere about that.
That was so great. I'm wondering if we could try something that just focuses on the actual functionality of the MBUX. Smart home controls or streaming services, something like that.
For the weather.
Exactly. Just super simple. Okay. Sounds like a plan. Okay, great.
Don't listen to her.
All right. Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
I love you.
I also love to spend time with you.
Wow. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
There's that connection that we're looking for.
Magnus, it's so good. It's so romantic. I love it.
I know. This looks like a bad toy commercial. I mean, just have a look at it. It's all flat. I'm not seeing any shapes in here. Shadows are coming in completely wrong angle.
Excuse me.
I'm not your butler.
We've been lighting for 8 hours. Just wanted to check in.
We shoot when I'm ready.
Okay. When you're ready, let me show you the trunk. It holds at least 50 more liters, and it can expand to a capacity of up to 600 liters.
Yeah. Like this, maybe? Or like this?
Yeah. So there's a few things the client really want to highlight in this film. So we need to feature the ergonomic seats with leather upholstery. They can adjust almost as high as your director's chair. I think we can also take some time to focus in on the details, like the stitching and all the trim parts.
I don't care about trim parts.
What about the screen that features MBUX, or the multifunctional steering wheel? The sound system comes with Burmester speakers.
Burmester.
Got it? Okay. We can also take some time to feature the panoramic sunroof. The client also wants us to take a shot of the vents and the ambient lighting, which you can adjust based on your mood.
Magnus, I quit.
No, you're fired. With your fake lights. Looks like a TV show from 1987.
What are you doing? Who's gonna shoot the film now?
He will.
Me?
What? You will.
Yao, sorry I was rude. Can you please come back?
In this scene, we're building up to catharsis, where the snow comes in and the elements that are all-encompassing hug the car and the man, and they are all of a sudden alone in the universe.
Hey, Mercedes. What's the weather like?
Currently, it is cloudy with
More
snow in
wind!
Stuttgart.
More wind! God!
Hey, Mercedes. What's the weather like?
Wind has increased. Expect heavy snow.
What do you mean here?
It doesn't look anything like snow.
Oh, George is here. George is here.
George Russell!
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello, George.
Hey, guys.
George Russell. Welcome to my film set.
Hey, how you doing?
Be nice. Focus here, and don't forget to mention that all models in the series come with 4MATIC as standard, right?
But George is here.
And for the first time, full electric off-road driving capability.
Full electric, got it?
4MATIC, great. Yeah! We're making a film! George, I need you to express yourself like a dynamic poet. Hello, George. You can't hear me. I'm going after him. Keys!
Shotgun!
Keys! I am the director.
That's nice.
Let's go. George, I need you to go off-road.
I need to warm up these tires.
I'm loving this, George. Drive like a vigilante.
Copy that.
George, as you may have noticed, this car goes directly into electric mode as soon as it goes off-road.
It drives so good.
Let's go a little bit faster, George.
A little bit slower, George. You also notice that it has new parameters of traction and brake mode in the stability program ESP.
Copy that, team.
Oh, I love it.
Yes. Way to swerve that rock.
Okay, George, turn on the transparent bonnet. That way you can see what's right in front of you.
Box, and back to the studio.
Can we get some cameras up on the stage? Because I really want to see how it's been used. Oh, sorry, George.
Hey.
Sorry.
Hey.
Sorry.
Get over
Sorry.
here.
Sorry, George.
Leave him alone.
Okay, George is just sleeping in there like a baby. I need the car for my climax.
Hey! Hey! This is amazing. Can't wait to try the AMG version.
Oh, thank you, George. Isn't there a Formula One race that he needs to do?
Magnus, just a moment of your time. My team and I are struggling a little bit with these client requests and hoping you could help us. So we're trying to figure out a way to show to the world that all of the 4- and 6-cylinder engines are electrified with 48-volt technology. The 3 different plug-in hybrids, they all have an electric range of 100 kilometers. They all come with this new technology for maximum recuperation efficiency. And then finally, the trailer hitch can tow up to 2.5 tons. Do you think you could find a way to help visualize that, or?
Can I see the list?
Oh, of course. Do you want my notes, or I can make you a copy?
That's okay.
You have it. You got it in here. Okay, well, I'll leave you to it.
Thank you.
Sure.
Everyone quiet on set. Okay. And action.
What does this have to do with towing capacity? This is a joke.
I'm a garbage director.
You're amazing.
I'm not even a director.
Don't say that.
I own a video shop in Reykjavik.
Actually, that's
I'm
quite
so
cool.
sorry to interrupt. I just have to tell you, I was looking at some of the footage with the team, and it's spectacular.
What?
It's amazing. It's beyond our wildest imaginations, and we are so grateful.
You like?
Yeah.
Well, I have lots of ideas for the new one. Don't you worry about that.